Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I present a brand identity project to a client that sets me up as a professional, but also minimizes the need for revisions. So if you want to see how I go from this to this, keep watching. If you're still sending out your logo as a PNG file in black and white, this video is for you. As a designer, one of the most important aspects to any project is presenting your work to a client. Before I start designing, it's always good to use design templates for your presentations. Using templates would help with consistency, efficiency, and will help you save tons of time. This is my current template, branded to my own personal brand. The goal here is to replace my branding with the company's brand. Start by gathering the brand's information that you have gathered from the beginning of the design process. Familiarize yourself with the client's needs, preferences, and goals for their brand. By the way, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I made a video on the process creating this brand from start to finish and also designing this logo for this brand. So what should a brand presentation include? First thing I start with is the cover page and information on the brand, followed by the contents page, which gives an overview of the presentation, but it also helps the client navigate to specific sections that they might need, as well as a page dedicated to the backstory of the brand. Having a backstory helps create an emotional connection between a company and its customers that can increase brand loyalty and customer engagement. This part would have already been presented, but I still include it in here to make sure the client knows where the original inspiration came from and why this design direction was taken. When it comes to showcasing the logos, I make sure to include the primary logo, secondary logo, self-mark logo, and the logo mark. The most important part is to include your design decisions. This is important for your client, making it super clear of how each variation works and what they can be used for. Using a set of fonts is crucial because it sets the tone. I provide a slide that showcases the use of the fonts and how they are used. This gives the client a clear visual of the brand identity in action. I also make sure to explain my design decisions on the chosen fonts and how they should be used across the brand. Here is where you can showcase the color palette and explain why every color has been strategically chosen for their brand. Illustrations and patterns are an exciting element to any brand. Here I added a few illustrations I created as well as a pattern. I make sure to explain why those elements were designed and how it showcases their brand personality. Photography style and direction are important components as they play a crucial role in defining the brand's aesthetic and creating a consistent look and feel across all touchpoints. Showing an Instagram feed with the proposed branding will help the client visualize the brand's online presence and the possibilities of what they can do with their brand. Mockups are important as they help bring the design concepts to life and give the client a clear understanding of what the final product will look like. These should ideally be the last thing to present to the client to leave a lasting impression and create that wow factor. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video dedicated on how I design mockups. Last thing I include in the presentation is a feedback section. This lets the client give effective feedback, which is critical for the process, but it also encourages them to reach out if they have any questions or concerns. If you made it this far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this video where I designed a logo from start to finish. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.